Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're counting down the top 15 cutest dog breeds in the world. From tiny fluffballs to gentle giants, these pups have stolen hearts across the globe. Let's start at number 15 and work our way to the absolute cutest dog on the planet. 15. Great Dane. Despite their size, these gentle giants are sweet, goofy, and make surprisingly cuddly companions. 14. Shar-Pei. With their iconic wrinkles and serious expressions, these dogs are unique and irresistibly cute. 13. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Big eyes, floppy ears, and a calm demeanor make them melt hearts everywhere. 12. Corgi. Tiny legs, big personality. Corgis are walking joy with their signature fluffy behinds. 11. Pomeranian, a fluffball full of sass and sparkle, known for their tiny size and huge charisma. 10. Dachshund Longbody, short legs, and loads of charm. Their silly strut is impossible to ignore. 9. Maltese. Snow-white fur and round eyes make these dogs look like animated stuffed toys. 8. Chihuahua pocket-sized pups with fierce loyalty and adorable expressions. 7. French Bulldog. Those bat ears and snorty snores have made them internet darlings. 6. Samoyed, nicknamed the Smiling Sled Dog. Their fluffy coat and grin make them irresistibly huggable. 5. Golden Retriever, friendly, fluffy, and full of love. A forever favorite in families worldwide. 4. Pug wrinkled faces, curled tails, and clownish behavior make them hilariously cute. 3. Shih Tzu. Once bred for royalty, they're basically tiny, furry emperors with a cute attitude. 2. Poodle. From toy to standard, poodles are elegant, intelligent, and adorable in every size. 1. Labrador Retriever. Their joyful eyes, floppy ears, and sweet personality make labs the cutest of them all. Whether you're a fan of big dogs or lap-sized companions, cuteness comes in all shapes and sizes. Which breed is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Top Num Up for more adorable rankings.